Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2020 Ford Mustang EcoBoost Coupe with a 101A package. The exterior color is rapid red metallic, and under the hood we have a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have LED daytime running lights as well as high and low beam headlights. We also have an engine block heater connection. Over at the side, we have our 19-inch black aluminum wheels wrapped in prairie tires. We also have color-matched mirror caps and door handles. This Ford Mustang also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have reverse sensors paired to a backup camera, as well as a blade deck lid spoiler. We have our LED tail lamps, and at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors. Over at the steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, and we have a tilt steering wheel with our entertainment and media controls, as well as our cruise control settings located to the left. Over at the right, we have our information trackpad and hands-free controls. Up above, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. And as we look down at our interior, we have our beautiful black seating that comes with fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, climate control, phone connectivity, as well as other apps, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Our driver can also view the display of the rear view camera. Down below, we have our sync controls, as well as we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. We have our push-button start, as well as the console gear shift lever with select shift option for the driver, dual cup holders, and a center console that provides tons of storage. At the rear, we have seating for 2 more passengers, making this a total of 4 passenger seating. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Ford Mustang, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.